Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to install Threads app. So let's get started. So if you want to install Threads app in your device, now to do that what you have to do is follow some of these steps. First, what you can do is just simply open up your Play Store, and after opening up your Play Store, now in search bar you can search for Threads. And after searching for Threads, now you'll come to this page. From here you can find Threads and Instagram app. So now what you can do is just simply go ahead and install it, and after tapping on install it will start installing in your device. So Threads is just like Twitter, so by using Threads you can easily access the followers in your Instagram account through your Threads account. So you can just simply do that. You can read the tweets of your friend in your Threads, you can search for interesting topics and many more. So Threads is just like Twitter. You can just simply install it, and after installing it, if you don't have an account, then you can just simply go ahead and then create one. But if you already have an account, then you can just simply tap on login and then log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to install Threads app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.